The Google Gemini 3 is finally out, and I will show you some cool stuff that I created in the last few hours. So first thing I created is this Super Mario Bros. Game. Many of you know this, and this looks insane. I am actually trying to make this Super Mario game with all the AI tools, and right now Gemini 3 is the best. As you can see, I can play this game as the real Super Mario. I can hit basically the bricks. I can jump. I can even shoot the fireballs. And this basically took me like less than an hour. But the best part is that I actually created 3 levels. This is the first level. So now the second level, as you can see, the underworld. It is still not perfect, but it is getting there. As you can see, I think we are like 1 year away from the actual game that I will be able to create the ultra realistic, the similar, basically the one-on-one Super Mario Bros. Game. Second stuff I built is this basically a realistic beehive simulation. And what you can do, you can add more bees, you can add more flowers. Here you can see the nectar collected, active flowers, total bees, so you can basically create any simulation you want. When I toggle a rain, all the bees go into the hive. Another thing I basically created is summon a bear. So what happens? I summon a bear, and here you see a bear is coming, and he will be taking honey from this beehive, and you will see the nectar collected gets less. And as it is raining, the bees are not attacking the bear, and I will show you what happens. So he basically takes a chunk out of the beehive. Now the beehive is damaged. Let's stop the rain. And as you can see, the bees automatically attack the bear, but he already got the basically the honey. And right now the bees will be repairing this beehive. So really simple simulation. The next thing I will show you is this solar system. This was the easiest. I basically created this solar system with 2 prompts. One was for the whole animation, and the second one was for the sound. So here you can hear the sound, and I can follow the selected planets. So if I select a planet, here you can see Jupiter, gas giant. We have a little description. We have the orbit time, how long it takes for it to basically go around the sun. So much data, and I basically made this with 1 prompt. Took me 1 minute, and this is really helpful if you are in school or in education. The next thing I created is this ant colony simulation. So what you can do, I can add more ants. I can feed tarantula. As you can see, all the ants are automatically going attacking the tarantula. I can add insects, so the ants are eating the insects. Another thing is, for example, add leaves, and the ants automatically go straight to the leaves and bring them to their, I don't know, nest, or how do you call it. And every time I add tarantula, as you can see here, population is collapsing because many ants are being destroyed by the tarantula. I can even tap the glass and disturb the ants so they run faster and run around. You can also add sticks. You can add everything you want in this glass basically simulation. And if you want to create something yourself, you just have to write prompt, go right here to this selection and select canvas, so it will automatically be ready, and you will have a separate window like here, and you will be able to test your simulation. The next one I created is this, basically nuclear power simulation. So what I can do, I can control the rods. So if I put the rods up, the temperature is rising. Then I can change the flow of the coolant pump, so that if the flow is at a max, the turbine is moving much faster and the cooling is much faster. And if I turn this lower, there's nothing happening, so the turbine is not moving. Also, you can zoom in. You can turn this, all of these simulations, you can basically turn 360 degrees because this is 3D. And yeah, you can add everything you want to these simulations. You can also add everything to the games like Super Mario, whatever you want. And many people are speculating that tomorrow we will get the Nano Banana 2. And if you know about Nano Banana 2, it was leaked a few days ago, and many people already created these insanely realistic images with celebrities. This was basically a non-restricted version. When they come out with this, it will most likely be quite restricted, but here you can see what it is capable of. So it looks ultra realistic. Different types of cameras, even in GTA 5, GTA 6. So yeah, that's what I want to show you, because I enjoy making these games, making these simulations. And yeah, if you enjoyed this video, press like, press subscribe, press the notification bell so every time I upload, get a notification instantly and you don't miss out on AI news, AI alpha like this. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.